Woo-wee. Look at that. And all, where's it at? Let me see. Oh, right there. You can see it flooding into here. Running down that way, running off the road, all the way from across the road all the way into our yard. Every time it rains. Look, they're flooding over there too. And it comes up over that road. But yet they fix it. Oh, that whole thing flooded right there. Pretty soon if it stays raining like this all, oh, right there. Also running across the road right there. Runs across the road there. And you can see that one right there. Like a river, like a little stream. There we go, Merry Christmas. Never used to do that before. I think that's them saying, hey, you better get on in the house now. So I better listen. Goodbye.